Hey guys, today we are looking at the top 10 expensive Lamborghini models ever built by Lamborghini in the world. Number 1. Lamborghini Veneno Roadster. It was sold in auction in Switzerland for $8.4 million, in India 59.80 crore rupees, making it the world's most expensive Lamborghini ever auctioned. Number 2. Lamborghini Veneno. It was first launched in 2013 and it is the second most expensive car ever built by Lamborghini. The cost of the car is $4.5 million, in India 32.04 crore rupees. Number 3. Lamborghini Egoista concept. It is an special edition 50th anniversary car made under inspiration of Apache helicopter. It was launched for $3.9 million, in India 27.76 crore rupees. Number 4. Lamborghini Aventador J. It was first unveiled in 2012 Geneva Motor Show for the price of $2.8 million, in India 19.93 crore rupees. Number 5. Lamborghini Sesto Elemento Supercar. It was first unveiled at the Paris Motor Show 2010 and only 20 were made for the price of $2.2 million, in India 15.66 crore rupees. Number 6. Lamborghini Pregunta concept. It was first unveiled in 1998 Paris Auto Show and it is sold now for $2.1 million, in India 14.95 crore rupees. Number 7. Limited edition Lamborghini Reventon Roadster. It was first shown on 11 July 2019 for the price of $1.5 million, in India 10.67 crore rupees. Number 8. Lamborghini Diablo. It was first launched in 1990 and today the cost of the car is $1 million, in India 7.11 crore rupees. Number 9. Lamborghini Aventador S Roadster. It cost around $600,000 In India the car launched for 6.25 crore rupees with import duty tax included. Number 10. Lamborghini Aventador S. Right now it is the most famous car of Lamborghini. It comes with the price of $393,000 in India 5.01 crore rupees. And guys, today's video like target is only 1000 likes, so please click the like button. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share the video.